Where this student team designed and created a greenhouse that costs only usually between $600 to $1,000. So that's small.
For our next phase, which is starting next week, we're going to be beginning with food waste. And what the food waste is, we're going to be testing how food waste, different amounts of food waste will go ahead and impact the amount of biogas that is made.
A lot more workshops. We did a lot of solar site surveys, about 12. We picked different locations on the campus to see where the panel would be best and throughout that.
Option for takeout at Penn State Dining Commons right now. We offer styrofoam containers for free. We started the reusable takeout container, so you pay a $5 rental fee, and that covers $3.50 for the cost of the container and $1.50 for the care.
Determine what weeds are growing at the college farm in the fall production season. And from my, moving forward from my collection, I then conducted an inventory of the weeds. Now, counting every single weed at the college farm would be a very long process.
They also have been talking about, again, in the future, maybe 4 or 5 years down the road, of that $5 fee going into the student food services fee.
Because the dinosaurs, like, they're even reluctant to even do composting, like here at Bucknell. Like we're like in farm country. Why shouldn't we be able to compost? But apparently there's a lot of safety issues, concerns with composting that they're going to put services to me about.
Does this school have a food recovery? Yeah.
No.
No?
We don't.
Okay, well then you need to
There's been a lot of like discussion about it in the environmental club.
Here are the different concerns on the right hand side of showing us activities. I have tried to color code them to kind of match like what leads to the consequences.
At school, we found while trying to implement these practices was first cost savings, and second, the business is too small to have an impact, which we thought was a surprising revelation.
Pennsylvania Wilds, Endless Mountains, and Loyalsock Trail in the northern tier of Pennsylvania, right in the heart of the Marcellus Shale. So real quickly, there's the Marcellus Shale formation in
Things that I were considering with my research are how factors like education, income, geographic location, and race influence the foods that people choose to eat based on what they have access to. So for my research, I've done both quantitative and qualitative data collection.
Year to grow their crops, in which they can also sell them off the market and off season, which means that he can make more income for his family. There's a 13% reduced growing time, which means that tomatoes that took 3 months to grow, open air, now only take 2 months in the greenhouse.
So something that we could do to show people there's a lot of food waste that we could compost. We were thinking have a garbage can on a scale and have students put the food waste that they take off their plates and put that in the garbage can and just show how much food gets dumped.
Through the efforts of PERC, we've made a lot of progress in coming together. You know, we have events like this where us as students, we come together and talk about these issues, and we have a few symposiums throughout the year. We all come together. I wanted to delve a little bit more specifically into what specific ways do you guys think we can help each other?
Because I come to this conference and the fall one, and I see all the amazing things each individual school is doing and individuals at the school are doing. And I think we need to figure out a very effective way to transfer that knowledge across the universities and the colleges in PERC.
I think I've been really interested in this idea and like how do we bring all of these great ideas and actually implement them. So something that you were talking, Justin? Okay, so Justin was talking about in terms of getting all the organizations together and to like really get like sustainability, like push it. And I really feel like if we have that, like give that space to people, then it'll really push forth sustainability.